In this video, I will show you how to set up shipping in Hostinger website builder. I'm now inside my store management area, and to set up shipping for your online store in Hostinger website builder, just go to store settings, then click on shipping. This regular shipping for the United States is showing here due to my store setup first time. To create a new zone, just click on create zone, give it a name, for example, Canada, select countries from here, search, look for Canada, then close this list and hit save. Now that my shipping zone is updated, I can click on add option. As you can see, a shipping option is automatically added. You can delete it or edit it. Give it a name, for example, free shipping for orders over $50. For the shipping rate, it will be 0 since it's free. I can add a condition. For example, I can go with a condition type of order price. For the minimum order price, I will go with $51. Why I used 51 instead of 50? Because the lower bound of the conditions, which is the minimum order price, is inclusive. This means 51 is above 50. For the maximum order price, I will fill nothing. Now click on add. As you can see, now you have this option, this free shipping option for orders over $50. As you can see, the condition is 51 and up. What I should do is, instead of 51, I will go with 50.01. Then click on add. Now my condition is updated. Let's go back to shipping. And this is how to add shipping in Hostinger website builder.